Okay, go.
Good day everyone. So for today's video, we're going to answer the problem in enhancing English. So number 91 is the answer is Tresca yield criterion. The maximum shear stress theory says that failure begins when the maximum shear stress in a material reaches the same value as the shear stress at yield in a simple tension test. This theory is called the Tresca yield criterion. It commonly used for ductile materials like steel. So next is number 92. The answer is maximum shear stress theory. This theory states that a machine part will fail when the maximum shear stress becomes greater than the allowable or critical shear stress of the materials. It is useful in predicting yielding of ductile materials under combined loading. So next is problem number 93, Miner's rule. Is used in fatigue analysis. It states that damage caused by repeated loading accumulates over time and failures happen when the total damage reaches a limit. Each stress cycle adds a small amount of damage. So question number 94, the answer is hydrodynamic lubrication. Happens when a thick film of lubricant fully separates two moving surfaces. This prevents metal-to-metal contact and reduces where the pressure in the lubricant film is created by the motion of the surface. So lastly is number 95. The answer is critical speed. Critical speed is the speed at which a rotating shaft begins to vibrate strongly and may become unstable. This happens when the rotating speed matches the natural frequency of the shaft. Operating near this speed can cause damage. That's all. Thank you.